Buying an electric car isn't just changing what powers your vehicle. It completely transforms how you own, drive, and maintain it. You can say goodbye to oil changes, but you're trading them for a steep learning curve on software, home charging, and depreciation. This is your complete guide to what it actually costs and feels like to live with an EV. Let's start with the total cost of ownership, because this is where EVs flip the script. Over 5 years, the average EV costs roughly $37,000 to own after incentives, fuel, and maintenance. A comparable gas car is about $47,500. That's a $10,000 gap, and most of it comes down to two things: cheaper fuel and dramatically lower maintenance costs. Charging at home costs about 3 to 5 cents per mile. Gas runs around 15 cents. Over 5 years, you're looking at $2,500 in electricity versus $8,000 in gasoline. And here's where it gets interesting with maintenance. An electric motor has about 20 moving parts. A gas engine has over 2,000. EV owners spend roughly $150 to $400 a year on maintenance. Gas car owners spend $900 to $1,800. Your brake pads alone can last 75,000 miles or more thanks to regenerative braking. Federal EV tax credits have changed significantly over the past few years and vary by vehicle, price, and battery sourcing. Before making a purchase decision, check the current federal incentive status at fueleconomy.gov and your state's programs. Depending on timing and location, you could qualify for thousands in combined federal and state credits. If you're leasing, ask the dealer whether they're passing through any available incentives as a cap cost reduction. Here's where things get uncomfortable. The depreciation curve. EVs depreciate faster than gas cars. The average 5-year depreciation rate for an EV is about 49%, compared to 39% for the industry overall. Some models, like the Jaguar I-Pace, lost over 72% of their value in 5 years. Hertz learned this the hard way, buying Teslas for over $40,000 and reselling them under $20,000, which contributed to a $2.9 billion loss in 2024. But here's the flip side. That steep depreciation creates incredible deals for second owners. One thing that genuinely sets EVs apart is over-the-air updates. Tesla pioneered this, pushing software updates that add features, improve range, and even boost performance by 5% without you ever visiting a service center. Your car literally gets better while it sits in your garage overnight. Other automakers are catching up, but Tesla remains the benchmark. Now, let's talk about range anxiety. 52% of shoppers cite charging availability as a reason to skip EVs. But here's the reality check. The average American drives 37 miles a day, and most EVs offer over 250 miles of range. 95% of EV owners report they've never run out of charge, and 77% of owners who were originally worried about range say they became less concerned after actually living with the car. Home charging installation runs $1,200 to $3,000 for most homeowners. A full charge on a standard battery costs about $13 at home rates. That's your fuel budget right there. Battery life is another former concern that the data has essentially put to rest. Modern EV batteries degrade only about 1.5% to 2.5% per year. Many vehicles retain 81 to 88% capacity after 8 years. Stanford research suggests batteries may last up to 40% longer than previously estimated, potentially reaching 280,000 miles. And the satisfaction numbers speak for themselves. 96% of EV owners say they'd buy another one. The bottom line: EVs cost less to run, less to maintain, and they're getting better every year. The purchase price gap is shrinking, and used EVs are becoming the smartest play in the market. Whether you buy new before those credits expire or grab a used deal after, electric car ownership makes financial sense. You just have to understand the full picture, and now you do. If this changed how you think about EVs, hit like and subscribe.